Hello, boys and girls. We have now finished Chapter 6, Addition and Subtraction with two-digit numbers. So today we're going to do a little review and practice, and then the next time we are together, we'll be ready to take the test. All right, we're going to start with the vocabulary words up here. This first vocabulary word right here is difference. And if you remember that difference, that word, it means the answer to a subtraction problem. The ones, that would be to describe the ones, it would be, like numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, where there's only one digit. Okay, and they have ones would also be the little individual cubes. Subtract, that means you're going to take away. When you take something away from a bigger number, that's subtract. And then sum, that's the answer to an addition problem. And tens means you have like a two-digit number, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And it would be, yes, in the tens place, would be like this. This would be the tens place, wouldn't it? Okay, let me erase my marks and then we'll start with the sentences. Okay, number 1, the answer to an addition problem is called the blank. Is that what we call the difference? Subtract, ones, sum, or tens. The answer to an addition problem. Okay, I hope you said the sum. S-U-M. Yeah, sum is the answer to an addition problem. Okay, number 2. In the number 63, the 6 is in the what place? Is that in the difference place, the ones place, the subtract place? It's not the sum because now we've already used that word. The tens place, the 6. Yes, that would be in the tens place, wouldn't it? Oh, for heaven's sakes, that's not how you spell 10. Let's see if I can erase that. There we go. Oh no, I don't want to clear all of it. Get back to my pen. And just one hump. Yeah, the tens place. So now we've used that word. Okay, number 3. You blank to find the difference. Do you difference to find the difference? Do you ones to find the difference? Or do you subtract to find the difference? Yes, you subtract. S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T. Subtract to find the difference. And number 4, the answer to a subtraction problem is called we've only got two choices here, difference or the ones. What do we call the answer to a subtraction problem? Yes, it is the difference. Difference. Okay, and the last one, I hope, makes sense for us to use this word here, ones. Let's see. In the number 72, the 2 is in the ones place. Does that make sense? It's the only one left. And yes, thankfully, it does make sense. If it didn't make sense, then that would mean that we missed one of these other answers, and we would need to go back and find out which one we missed. If we knew for a fact that the only one left did not make sense, but it does, so we're good. Okay. All right. Now down here at the bottom, we are going to add. So, with this particular test, sometimes we're going to add, sometimes we're going to subtract. This one says we are going to add. Here's your addition sign, plus. Okay. 2 tens plus 1 10 equals how many tens? Do you know what 2 plus 1 is? It is 3, isn't it? 2 tens plus 1 10 equals 3 tens. Now we can also say 2 tens is the same as 20, and 1 10, of course, is a 10. And so 20 plus 10 equals, well, what does 3 tens mean? Or what does, yeah, 3 tens is 30. 20 plus 10 equals 30. 3 tens is the same as 30. That's what I was trying to get at. Okay, and number 7 here. 6 tens plus 3 tens equals how many tens? Do you know what 6 plus 3 is? 6 in your head, count on 3 more. 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens. What number is the same as 9 tens? 90, isn't it? So 60 plus 30 equals 90. Yes, it does. All right, let's look at the next page for some more practice. All right, count on to add and then write the sum. Write the sum. That is an addition term. The answer to an addition problem is called the sum. So we're going to be adding. We're going to add 75 plus one more. Here's a model of 75 right here. 75 and one more is 76, isn't it? Okay, now we're going to add 36 plus 3. So here is 36. Count on 3 more. What's after 36? 37, 38, 39. Okay, just counting on a few ones here. Pretty simple just to count on. Yeah. All right, and so now we're going to do some more addition, but this time we have the numbers written here in the tens and ones chart. So if we're going to try to add 62 plus 3, we want to add the ones first. 2 plus 3 equals 5, doesn't it? And so then now you can, now you can add the 6 and nothing. Oh, come on. Here we go. Come on. How do I, there we go. Get my pen back. So 6 plus nothing is like 6 plus 0, so it still equals 6, doesn't it? 62 plus 3 equals 65. We could count on these three right here. 62, 63, 64, 65. Counting on 3 more. We still get the same answer. So we're doing well, aren't we? All right, 37 plus 2 more. Okay, let's add the ones. 7 plus 2, 7, 8, 9, and 3 plus nothing equals 3. 37, 38, 39. Yep. Okay, 4 plus 4, that's a double. We haven't talked about doubles in a long time. 4 plus 4 equals 8. And 5 plus nothing equals 5. So 54 plus 4 equals 58. Let's count on and see. 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. 4 more. Yep. All right. Now we are ready to subtract. Okay. We're taking away. We're using a minus sign there. Okay. 6 tens minus 2 tens equals how many tens? So if we had 6 tens, I'm just drawing sticks. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens minus 2 of them. Take 2 of them away or put an X on 2 of them. How many of them are left here? 4. Oh, I didn't leave any room for that, did I? All right, and so 6 tens is the same as 60. 2 tens is the same as 20. And so 4 tens equals 40, doesn't it? 60 minus 20 equals 40, because 6 minus 2 equals 4. And the zeros, 0 minus 0 equals 0. The 0 doesn't change because we're not taking any more ones away. All right, let's do another one. 5 tens minus 2 tens. Okay, 5 tens minus 2 tens. Take 2 of them away, and we are left with 3 tens. Yeah. Okay, is 5 minus 2 3? It sure is. So, I want that to get in the way. So 5 tens is the same as 50. 2 tens is the same as 20. 3 tens is the same as 30. 50 minus 20 equals 30. All right, and then you'll remember that we can also use a number line in order to subtract. If we want to subtract 80 minus 30, where would we start on the number line? Yeah, we would start with the biggest number, wouldn't we? 80. Okay, I'm just going to put a little dot there. And then how many hops do we take back? Through 30. This is a number line counting by tens. 30 is the same as how many tens? 3 tens. So we're going to take 3 hops back. 1, 2, 3. I didn't really write those hops because I'm going to use the number line for number 16 also. Okay, so, but we can still look at the numbers and find the answer. It was 3 hops, 10, 20, 30, and landed on 50. Okay, and now we're going to start on 90, and we're going to take 2. Now I can do hops because I don't have any more problems to answer here. 90 minus 20. How many tens is 20? 2 tens, isn't it? So we're going to take 2 hops, 10, 20, and we land on 70. Is 9 minus 2 7? It sure is. 90 minus 20 then equals 70. All right, we're going to do one more page to practice together, and then I'm going to have you do some practice on your own. All right, so we're going to use a number line to solve this story problem. Cameron has 60 marbles. Eric borrows 30 of them. How many marbles does Cameron have left? Well, we're using a number line, and it does say that we're going to subtract. Whoops, my pen. It does say that we are going to subtract. Okay, I want that a little better. There we go. So we have to look at the numbers then, and the numbers in our story is 60 and 30. So we could be thinking 60 minus 30 because Cameron started with 30 marbles. And then Eric borrowed 30 of them. That means they took 30 away from the original 60. And so how many were left? Well, what's 6? We can look at it this way. It's 6 tens minus 3 tens equals what? 6 tens minus 3 tens. That's the same as like 6 minus 3 is 3, but you cannot forget the 0. These have zeros, so your answer has to have a 0 also. 60 minus 30 equals 30. Now let's draw some sticks just to make sure. Oh, wait a minute. We're supposed to use this number line here. Okay, let's start with 60 and count back 30, which is 3 tens. 10, 20, 30. Oh, yeah, the answer does equal 30. All right, well, we got 30 2 different ways. Good for us. All right, and now we're going to subtract again, and then we're going to write the related addition sentence. Listen to this story. Sam drew 40 pictures. He gave 20 of them to his dad. How many pictures does Sam have left? All right, the biggest, we've got the numbers 40 and 20. To make a subtraction sentence, which number has to go before the minus? Yeah, the bigger number, 40. That's how many pictures he started with, okay? And then he gave 20 of them to his dad. So we took 20 of them away to give to his dad. So 40 minus 20 equals, how many did he have left? Yes, 20, because 4 minus 2 equals 2. And you can't forget those zeros. 4 tens minus 2 tens equals 2 tens. Okay, now we're going to make an addition sentence. Now, here's the thing I noticed when I was checking the homework from earlier this week when we did the related addition sentences, is that we forgot that we're going to use these same numbers, 40, 20, 20, but there's a certain order um, that they need to go in. If we have an addition sentence, okay, the answer to an addition problem is called the sum. And so the sum is where remember part plus part equals the whole, and the whole is the biggest number. So we have to have the biggest number, to equal our addition sentence. Which of these numbers is the biggest number? 40, 20, or 20? Yeah, 40. So 40 has to go down here. So if 40 is the whole, what are the parts? Yes, 20 and 20. 20 plus 20 equals 40. That's the related addition sentence that goes with that subtraction problem. Okay, here's another story for us. There are 25 people at a park. 25 people at a park. 3 more people come to the park. 3 more join them. Okay, to join, are we going to add or subtract? 25 people are there. 3 more join them. How many people are in the park? In all is another key word there. I hope you're thinking this is addition. Yes, because if we have 25 and 3 more come, we're putting them all together. So we are adding. Count on from 25, 3 more. Ready? 25, 26, 27, 28. 3 more. Do you see an answer here? This says 28 people. Oh, yeah, right there. So we're going to color in that circle right there. 28 people in all. Okay, so what I've done is I've made some slides that look like the problems that we just did together here. And now I want you to do them on your own if you can do them on your own with this review practice, then you'll be in good shape to take our test. All right, I'll be looking forward to seeing some good answers. Bye-bye.